This is Chris Wooten with Wooten Injury Law in Huntsville, Alabama. We're here to talk about people's rights under the law when it comes to injuries. One of the things that people ask us sometimes, for instance, say they're sitting at a stop sign, they're waiting for their turn to go, and they see somebody comes from this side going way too fast, over the speed limit, and then somebody else turns left in front of them. Those two vehicles hit each other. They're both doing something wrong, and then they spin out of control and they hit the guy that's just sitting there at the stop sign not doing anything. So people ask, well, can more than one person be at fault for an injury? Under Alabama law, they can. Alabama observes a doctrine of what's called combined and concurring negligence. That means you can have more than one person do something wrong and injure someone that's innocent, and both people, or even more than one, it can be 3, 4, 5, however many different people, however many of them, their actions combine to hurt somebody, they are all equally responsible. So sometimes you may have a situation where somebody says, well, I know I was speeding, but that guy shouldn't have turned. And so I don't think this is my fault, and I'm not going to do anything for what happened. In a situation where it looks like more than one person may have been at fault for an injury, it's very important that you talk to an attorney about that, because that can complicate the situation. You can have both sides or multiple sides, they all start pointing the finger at each other, and basically in an effort to leave the person that's been injured holding the bag, because everybody else is trying to come up with an excuse to say it's not their fault. So anytime there's a situation where there's potentially more than one person at fault, you should really talk to an attorney about that to find out what your rights are and to find out who all needs to be held responsible for your injuries.